How to stop PDF files automatically opening after download on Google Chrome. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily turn off the option to automatically open PDF on Chrome. First off, tap on the three dots at the top right. Then from there, you want to go over to settings. On your settings, on the left hand side, go to privacy and security. And once you open it up, all you have to do is go down here and tap on the site settings. From site settings, scroll down and tap on this option called additional content settings. Tap on it. Once you tap on this, scroll down and find PDF documents. And once you click on it, if it's selected to open PDFs in Chrome, make sure you unselect this and select the other option that says download PDF. This will only download PDFs on your device and it won't automatically open on Google Chrome. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.